The accelerator pedal position sensor, also known as the APP sensor, detects how far down you press the gas pedal. It sends this information to your car's computer, the ECU, which then controls how much fuel to inject into the engine. This sensor is a critical part of your vehicle's electronic throttle control system. Without a functioning AP sensor, your car won't accelerate properly. One of the first signs of a failing app sensor is the activation of the check engine light. The ECU detects inconsistencies in the signal from the sensor and triggers the light. Use an OBD2 scanner to read the diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes related to the AP sensor include P0121, P0122, and P0123. The check engine light should be taken seriously and scanned as soon as possible. Symptom 2. Hesitation or lag during acceleration. A failing app sensor often causes a noticeable delay or hesitation when you press the accelerator pedal. The engine may not respond immediately or smoothly, leading to a jerky driving experience. This is because the ECU is receiving incorrect or inconsistent data from the sensor. In 2023, a case study from Consumer Reports showed that moisture caused failure in humid climates with Volkswagen Golfs, fixed by resealing the connector. A faulty accelerator pedal sensor can cause the engine to stall or idle roughly, especially when the vehicle is stopped at lights or stationary. The faulty signal disrupts the engine's ability to maintain a stable idle speed. This was seen in Toyota Prius models from 2010 to 2015, which were recalled in 2022 for faulty APP sensors causing sudden acceleration. Symptom 4. Reduced engine power. The ECU might limit engine power as a safety measure when it detects a problem with the AP sensor. This is often referred to as limp mode. You'll notice a significant decrease in acceleration and overall performance. A faulty accelerator pedal sensor can cause erratic or surging acceleration instead of smooth driving. This happens when the sensor sends inconsistent signals to the engine control unit, leading to unpredictable power delivery. Here's a visual comparison. Normal acceleration follows a smooth curve, while erratic acceleration surges up and down unpredictably. This symptom is particularly dangerous in heavy traffic where sudden surges can cause accidents. For example, a 2024 Ford F-150 owner experienced erratic idle. An OBD scan showed the P0122 trouble code, indicating a throttle position sensor issue. A quick swap of the sensor using pre-made harness adapters took under 5 minutes to fix the problem. Sometimes a dirty or corroded app sensor connector can cause these symptoms. Here's a quick DIY fix that takes under 5 minutes. First, disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. Locate the app sensor, typically under the dash near the accelerator pedal. Unplug the connector from the sensor. Spray electrical contact cleaner into the connector and onto the sensor pins to remove dirt and corrosion. Reconnect the connector and battery cable. Start the engine and check if the symptoms have improved. If not, professional diagnosis may be required. If cleaning the contacts doesn't resolve the issue, the app sensor likely needs replacement or professional calibration, especially if you're not comfortable working on your car's electrical system or if the symptoms persist after trying the quick fix. Take your vehicle to a trusted mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to further damage or dangerous driving conditions.